All right, today we are going to learn about the atom. Okay, all about the atom. So this is an input chart. What's your job during an input chart?
Pay attention.
Pay attention. Should we be on our electronics?
I should figure
We should have electronics put away and we should be paying attention. Okay, so we are going to talk about what atoms look like on the periodic table. So each atom will look like this. We are going to pick on this atom. Does anybody know what that atom is?
salt or sodium.
Sodium. Great job. Okay, so sodium, every atom is going to have this number. I don't want brown. Up here. Okay, that number is going to be called the atomic number. Are we okay if I abbreviate number?
So, is that on the atomic bomb? Is that what that is? You know what I'm saying?
It's about atoms. Yes. Okay, so atomic number. When you see the atomic number, that is the number of protons in the atom. Okay?
Attention students and staff, this is a drill. We are going into a modified lockdown. There's been an incident in the community.
I saved the school.
Here we go. So,
I don't have to come back.
this is our atomic number. It is the number of protons. Most atoms are electrically neutral, and we'll get to that in a minute, what that means. It is also the number of electrons. Okay? So, if I were to ask Austin, how many protons does sodium have? You would say,
11.
you would say that. Okay, and Jessica, if I were to ask you how many electrons sodium has, you would say 11. It is that simple. Okay. Next, we have, so this is going to be the symbol. Every atom has, or every element has a symbol. And we also have names. This one is sodium. Okay. So, it's like Latin or something like that. So it does somehow, I don't know Latin very well. Okay. And lastly, at the very bottom, it has some numbers. 22.990. This is called the atomic weight. So, we know that the atomic weight is the protons plus the neutrons. Whoops, there we go. Protons plus the neutrons. So, what we're going to do is we're going to round to the nearest whole number. So, Camden, what is that number? 23. Okay, we are such good rounders. Okay, now Brandon, we got to do some math. I know math is hard, right? So we have 23. Do we know? We got 23 because we rounded. We round. Okay, so 23 equals. Do we know the number of protons, Brandon? Yes, we do. And what is that number, please? It's 11. Okay. So, can we solve that equation? 23 equals 11 plus the neutrons. We do that math? It's kind of hard. Early in the morning, guys. Volunteer. 12. Wow, look at that. So And we're going to do 23 minus 11. And we are, in fact, going to get 12 neutrons. Perfect. So now, knowing this, knowing what these numbers mean, you know the protons, electrons, and neutrons quantity in every single atom. Yay! Aren't you so excited?